It's truly remarkable how many individuals from humble backgrounds overcome immense obstacles to achieve success in the civil services examination. Here are a few notable examples that highlight their inspiring journeys. From a beady worker's son to an IAS officer. Nandala Sai Kiran's journey from a beady maker's son to an IAS officer is a testament to resilience. After losing his father, a weaver, in 2016, his mother became the sole provider, inspiring him to excel. Scoring a 9.8 GPA in 10th grade and 98% in intermediate, he later pursued a BTech at National Institute of Technology, Warangal. While working as a senior hardware engineer, he tirelessly prepared for UPSC, securing AIR 27 in 2023. His story proves that determination, not privilege, defines success. Kiran's journey is proof that no background is too humble, no struggle too great, and no dream too far when matched with perseverance. If he can do it, so can you. From Mumbai slums to the civil services. Growing up in the Wadi Bunda slums of Mumbai, Mohammad Hussain battled space constraints and an unconducive study environment. Determined to change his fate, he balanced work and studies, refusing to let hardships deter him. His perseverance paid off in 2022 when he cleared the UPSC exam on his fifth attempt, securing AIR 570. His journey is a testament to the power of grit, dedication, and the belief that no dream is too big. From a rickshaw puller's son to an IAS officer. Born in a low-income neighborhood of Varanasi, Govind Jaiswal grew up amid financial struggles. His father, a rickshaw puller, worked tirelessly to support the family, ensuring Govind could focus on his education. Despite constant taunts about his background, Govind remained undeterred. With limited resources, he studied rigorously, refusing to let poverty define his destiny. In 2006, he cleared the UPSC exam in his first attempt, securing AIR 48. His journey is an inspiration, proof that perseverance conquers all. From hotel waiter to IAS officer. K. Jai Ganesh, born into extreme poverty in Tamil Nadu, worked as a child laborer to support his family. Despite hardships, he excelled in academics, earning a mechanical engineering degree. Dreaming of the civil services, he worked as a waiter and theatre clerk to fund his studies. After 6 failed attempts, he cleared the UPSC exam in 2008 with AIR 156 on his 7th try. His journey proves that persistence and determination can break any barrier to success. From an auto rickshaw driver's son to India's youngest IAS officer. Born into extreme poverty, Ansar Sheikh defied all odds to achieve his dream. His father, an auto rickshaw driver, and his mother, a farm laborer, struggled to make ends meet. Despite hardships, Ansar excelled in academics, studying relentlessly. With sheer determination, he cracked the UPSC exam in 2016 at just 21 years old, securing AIR 361 in his first attempt. His story proves that no dream is too big when fueled by perseverance and hard work. From daily wage laborer's daughter to Kerala's first tribal IAS officer. Born into the Kurichya tribal community in Wayanad, Kerala, Sridhanya Suresh grew up watching her parents toil as daily wage laborers. Despite severe financial struggles, she remained determined to change her fate. With relentless effort, she cleared the UPSC exam in 2018, securing AIR 410, becoming Kerala's first tribal woman IAS officer. Her journey is an inspiration, proving that with resilience and education, barriers can be broken and history can be made. Defying dwarfism, Aarti Dogra's inspiring journey to the IAS. Born with dwarfism and standing at just 3 feet 6 inches, Aarti Dogra faced societal prejudices from an early age. However, she never let her stature define her potential. With unwavering determination, she cleared the UPSC exam in her first attempt and became an IAS officer in the Rajasthan cadre. As a trailblazer in administration, she ensured voting accessibility for 17,000 differently abled voters, proving that true strength lies in resilience, not physical stature. She cracked the UPSC examination in 2006 in her first attempt with 56th rank at the All India level. From a security guard's son to an IAS officer. Kuldeep Dwivedi, a security guard's son who cracked UPSC, born into a humble family in Uttar Pradesh, Kuldeep Dwivedi was raised by his father, a security guard at Lucknow University. Despite financial struggles, he remained committed to his studies, completing his post-graduation from Allahabad University. With sheer determination, he cleared the UPSC exam in 2015, securing AIR to 42 in his first attempt. His journey from hardship to success proves that ambition and perseverance can overcome any obstacle. From bangle seller's son to IAS officer. Born in Mahagaon, Maharashtra, Ramesh Gholap faced significant hardships early in life. After his father's death, his mother sold bangles to support the family, with Ramesh assisting her. Undeterred by financial constraints and a physical disability in his left leg, he pursued his education diligently. In 2012, Ramesh cleared the UPSC Civil Services examination, securing an All India rank, AIR, of 287. His journey from selling bangles to becoming an IAS officer exemplifies resilience and determination. These stories underscore the fact that the civil services examination is a testament to hard work, dedication, and resilience rather than privilege. They serve as a powerful source of inspiration for countless aspirants across India.